this shirt. And third of all, I look good in this shirt, so tell me I don't look good.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Do you know the way?